Tots! Welcome to Giggle Grove Tots. Today we are going to learn our morning routine together with Sproutie Power. A morning routine helps us start the day happy, healthy, and ready to play and learn. Good morning! First, we wake up and stretch our arms and legs like this. You're growing so strong! You're amazing! Let's learn together with Sproutie Power. Next, we brush our teeth to keep them clean and strong. Yay! You did it! You're amazing! We woke up and brushed our teeth. You're doing so well! Great job, Tots! Next, we put on our clothes and get ready for the day. You're growing so strong! Yay! You did it! You're amazing! Now we eat a yummy and healthy breakfast to give us energy for the day. Yay! You did it! You're amazing! Now we put on our shoes and get ready to go out and play. Yay! You did it! You're amazing!
Yay! We finished our morning routine. We woke up, brushed our teeth, got dressed, ate breakfast, and put on our shoes. You did an amazing job.
Let's remember our morning routine. Wake up and stretch, brush your teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, and put on your shoes. You can do it every morning. When we finish our morning routine, we feel happy, strong, and ready to play and learn. Let's remember our whole morning routine. Wake up and stretch, brush your teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, and put on your shoes. Yay, you did it! Amazing! When we follow our morning routine every day, we feel happy, healthy, and ready to learn and play. It helps us start the day in the best way. Thank you for learning our morning routine with Sproutie today. You did such a wonderful job. See you soon, Tots! Try your morning routine every day and start your day happy and strong.
You can wake up, stretch, brush your teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, and put on your shoes every single morning. You are so capable! You learned your whole morning routine today. That is something to be very proud of. You are growing so strong and smart.
Thank you for learning your morning routine with Sproutie today. You were so wonderful. Try to do your morning routine every day. It will help you feel happy and strong. I am so proud of you. See you soon, Tots. Keep practicing your morning routine and start every day happy and strong.